Hey loves, welcome back to my 8 days of summer hairstyles, and this is hairstyle number 2, and I'm giving you heatless beach waves on natural hair. It is fluffy, bouncy, and big. I love it. I already slicked down my edges with the 4naturals Slick Pomade. And for my twist, I'm going to use 4naturals Afro Stretch Curl Cream. It's great for twist outs, coil outs, and it also moisturizes your hair while reducing shrinkage. So I'm starting off with stretched out hair, and I've divided it into 4 sections. I'm going to do big twists, so we have a 4 twists on all 4 sections. And I'm just applying a little bit of the 4naturals Afro Stretch Curl Cream because I don't want my hair to revert and I don't want it to be tight twist. I want it to be big and fluffy and bouncy. And for my ends, I'm going to use perm rods. Now you don't have to do this, but just in general, I've noticed that all of my curly hairstyles come out way better when I use perm rods at the ends. I just like that, curl at the ends. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to finish up the other 2 twists at the top, and I'll show you what it looks like once my hair is dry. And a few hours later, my hair is completely dry. All I'm going to do is take down the twists, separate, and fluff out. And as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for style number 3 next week. Bye!